Alright, the Singe puppy's first time outside. There they are. Look at all those faces! Gonna go get your mother and your father. This Scheme, checking out his babies. Right there, it's good. Singe is too busy. Where's Singe? Yeah, there's Singe. She's been out running all day. She probably don't care. Here's your baby. She hasn't seen them in quite a while because her milk's pretty much dried up. What do you think, Scheme? My first time outside. Where have you been, Singe? She just doesn't care. She's their history. Who's at my feet? Somebody was over here. Is there anybody over by me? Trio? Scheme is just, oops. Scheme, get up. Oh, there goes Trio. Hey, where's the puppies? Come on.
He's hurting the one back. Took his nose and shot.
There's Sass. Hi, Sass. What are you doing? Oh. Remember, that's not the milk bar. That's the lemonade spigot. Uh-oh. Wayward puppies. And over there, of course, we have Edge, Prada, Journey, and Feisty. I don't know where Journey went. He's probably over by the sheep. There they go. Come on, pup-ups! Here they come, Scheme. You only got half of them. Comes a brown butt. Oh, that's a town outside. They're being pretty brave. Is anybody under my chair? Oh, there's somebody over there. Oh, Scheme, that's very cute, Scheme. We love you, Daddy. Someone's sneaking up from behind. It's either Flair or Sass. And it was Sass. Who's having fun over there? I think that's Split. The boys Split. It's Flair and Prime. Who's this? Oh, Trio is just being pretty cute. Oh, oh. Brown butt. I think that's Trio. Yep, that is Trio. And Singe is way over on the other side. She could care less. Very cute, huh? Scheme ski. Does not look or act 13 years old. Still, that was a kiss by, drive by, kiss by. Oh, Prime, pretty cute. Who's that? I think that might be Jem. You still have a brown butt over there. That's Trio. Going in. Party's over. Okay, and you want to see where Singe is? There. She don't care. Singe! Come on, Singe! Come on! Your puppies are leaving. She don't care. Go see your puppies. Singe, go see your puppies. Call her over. Show her puppies are in the... Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Alright, let's go in. Scheme cares. Scheme. Where's your baby, Scheme?